You want to be the gnome, the record, or the peace sign?
The new?
Hey! Bitches!
Oh.
They heard that.
Yeah.
Sweetie.
That's why they're coming back in.
Sweetie,
Slap the shit out
You
of
want to be the
Oh.
gnome?
I don't think that's what you called me.
I did. I said sweetie. Do you want to be the
Excuse me?
gnome, the
He
peace
said
sign, or the
bitches.
record?
He said bitches.
Excuse me?
Do you want to be the
You
gnome?
call me bitches.
No, I
He
called
did
them
call
bitches.
No,
He
you
called you
I
bitches.
called you sweet. Shut up, John!
He called.
John's over there. He called you bitches!
He called all of you.
I heard bitches from
Alright, do you
outside.
want to be the gnome, the peace sign? Well, you finally heard something. I've been knocking on the glass. Do you want to be the gnome, the peace sign, or the damn record?
No!
God, what did you knock over?
I don't know.
My Toms! Pick up my Toms!
Excuse me?
Please.
Pick those bitches up yourself.
You knocked them over!
Oh. Pick those
I
bitches
have
up.
to pee.
With your drunk ass.
Well, if she's drunk, wouldn't all of her be drunk? Not just her ass?
Shut up, John! You're not
Like,
helping.
pick your drunk feet up.
Yeah, take your drunk feet and your drunk hoo-hoo and go pee.
Pick your drunk thigh
Hey,
bone
John.
up.
John's like not helping me at all. He's like, he said bitches.
He said bitches. He didn't say bitches and sweetie. If he had said bitches and sweetie, he would be alright.
John, you're not helping my case at all.
That's what you said.